Exercise 14.2 in that question number 4. The following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in higher secondary schools of India. Find the mode and mean. Here also he has asked both mode and mean of this data. Interpret the two measures. We have to analyze the two measures. Now here the number of students per teacher. Here number of states. There are 3 states which are having 15 to 20 number of students per teacher. Okay, like this we have to analyze. There are 8 number of states or union territories which are having 20 to 25 students are there per teacher. Okay, first we will calculate this mode. For calculating mode, I will draw this table. This is the table for calculating mode. Now here, according to this is number of students per teacher, and this is number of states, and this is FI, and the same thing I have written here, 15 to 20 up to 50 to 55, and here see 3, 8, 9, 10, 3, 0, 0, 2. In this, among these, 10 is the highest frequency, and hence this class is considered as modal class. 30 to 35 is considered as modal class. This is modal class. Now here the formula for calculating mode is equal to what? Mode is equal to L plus, okay, this is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here where L is the lower class limit of this modal class, that is L is equal to 30, and F1 is the frequency of the modal class, that is equal to 10. F1 is equal to 10, and F2, that is the frequency after the modal class, that is equal to 3 here. Okay, and here F0 is equal to the frequency before the modal class, that is equal to 9. Now we will calculate the H. This is a class interval, and this can be calculated as upper class limit minus lower class limit of the modal class. Okay, so this is 35 minus 30, which is equal to 5. This is actual. Now we will substitute all these values. We will get the mode. That is, mode is equal to L means 30 plus F1 minus F0, F1 minus F0, 10 minus 9 divided by here 2 into F1, 2 into 10 minus F0 F2. F0 means 9, F2 means 3, 9 minus 3, and here into H means 5, and this is equal to 30 plus 10 minus 9 is 1 divided by 20 minus here 9 3 12 into 5, and this is equal to 30 plus 5 divided by 8. Okay, this is equal to 30 plus 5 divided by 8 means 0.50 means 8 6 is 48, 20, 8 2 is 16, 48 5 is 40. This is equal to 30.625. This is mode. So now we will calculate mean of this data. Mean of the data. Mean of the data can be calculated by using the assumed mean method, because here the values of numericals are more here. Assumed mean method, or we can calculate it by direct method also. Now we will calculate this one by direct method. This can be calculated by the assumed mean method or direct method. Now we will calculate it by direct method. Okay, I will put the table here. Here I will write number of students per teacher here, number of students per teacher, and here number of states, that is equal to Fi, frequency. Now here number of states, number of students I will write 15 to 20, 20 to 25, and here 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, and 45 to 50, and also here 50 to 55 also. Okay, and here number of states, that is equal to 3, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10, 3002, 3002. Okay, now here this xi, that is class mark, This is equal to upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. That is 20 plus 15 divided by 2. That is 35 by 2. This is 35 by 2 is equal to 17.5. And here 20, that is 45 by 2 is equal to 22.5. And this is 55 by 2. This is equal to here 27.5. And here 65 by 2 is equal to 32.5. And here 75 by 2 is equal to 37.5. And 85 by 2 is equal to 42.5. This is 42. Okay. 95 by 2 is equal to, this is 47.5. And here 105 by 2 is equal to 52.5. Now here this one into this one, that is Fi into Xi, you have to calculate. Here 17.5 into 3, this multiplication I will do here. Okay, 17.5 into 2, I have written here the multiplication of this one, Fi into Xi. 17.5 into 3, 52.5, 180, 247.5, 325, that is 325, 32.5 into 10, 37.5 into 3 equal to 112.5, 42.5 into 0, this is into 0, and 52.5 into 2, that is equal to 105. The summation of this one, sigma Fi into Xi, it is equal to 1022.5. And the sigma Fi, the summation of this Fi's here. Hence, the mean of this one, that is X bar, is equal to sigma Fi into Xi divided by sigma Fi, which is equal to 1022.5 divided by 35. And this comes to, that is 10225 divided by 350. Okay, like this we can make. This comes to 29.214. This is 29.214. This is equal to mean. And here we have calculated the mode is equal to 30.625, and here this is mean is equal to 29.214. Okay. Thus, the most states have student teacher ratio, that is 30.625 is the mode, and the average student to teacher ratio is 29.21 ratio. Here the mode value, this is equal to 30.625, and the mean value, it is equal to 29.214. And from this it is understood that most states have student teacher ratio 30.625, that is mode. Here I can write here, thus most states have student teacher ratio 30.625. This is second one, the average student teacher ratio is equal to 29.214. This is the difference. This is most states have student teacher ratio. This is 30.625. Okay. Exercise 14.2 in that question number 5. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket matches. That is number of runs scores. Number of runs scored 3000 to 4000. How many number of batsmen have scored this type of scores? That is 4 numbers. 4000 to 5000, here 18 numbers. In that way the distribution has been given. Here find the mode of the data. We have to calculate the mode. Mode is nothing but what? This is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula. Before going to that, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the highest frequency, that is highest number of batsmen. Here 18. 18 means this we have to consider as, this is a modal class. This is a modal class, that is 4000 to 5000 is the modal class. Okay, modal class. The table I will write here. This is modal class. Now here after this, here whatever the modal class that is there, that is F1. F1 is the frequency of the modal class, that is equal to 18, and here F0, that is before that modal class, that is equal to 4, and F2 is equal to after that is equal to 9. Okay. Now afterwards, Here we know L, F1, F0 and F2. H we have to calculate. H is the class interval, which is equal to upper class limit minus lower class limit. And here 5000 minus 4000. This is equal to 1000. H also we got. Now we will substitute here mode. Mode is equal to L means here L also we have to calculate. L is the lower class limit of this model class. That is L equal to 4000. So this is 4000 plus F1. F1 is equal to 18 minus F0 4. Here 2 into F1 that is 18 minus F0 minus F2 into H. H is equal to 1000. And here 4000 plus 18 minus 4 that is equal to 14 divided by 36 minus 13 into 1000 equal to 4000 plus here 14 into 1000 that is 14,000 divided by this 13 that is 23 is remaining. This is 4000 plus divided by 14,000 divided by 23 means this is approximately 608.69. Okay, total will be 4608.69. This is mode of data. This is the mode of the data. We will go for next one. Exercise 14.2. In that question number 6, a student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods, each of 3 minutes, and summarized it in the table given below. Find the mode of the data. Mode only is asked. Now here number of cars 0 to 10, that is 7 times it has gone. 10 to 20, 14 numbers. 20, 30, like that this table he has given. And we will put a table, and this is number of cars. The same data only I have represented in vertical form only. Here we have to calculate, that is the highest frequency. See here 7, 14, 13, this 20 is the highest frequency, and this is considered as model class. Hence I have considered this 40 to 50 is the model class. Now here the frequency also we know, that is equal to 20. We know the formula for calculating the mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here where L is the lower class limit of the model class, that is equal to L is equal to 40. Okay, and here F0 is equal to what? That is frequency before the model class, that is equal to 12. And here F1 is equal to 20 and F2 is equal to 11. Here you see here, this is F2, F1 and F0. And here this is 12, this is 20 and this is 11. Now we will calculate class interval, that is H is equal to upper class limit minus lower class limit. This is equal to 50 minus 40 equal to 10. H is also 10. We will substitute here. Substituting values. Now here mode is equal to L means here 40 plus F1 minus F0, that is 20 minus 12 divided by 2 into 20 minus F0 means 12 minus F2 means 11 into H, that is equal to 10 equal to 40 plus 20 minus 12, it is equal to 8 divided by 40 minus this is 23 into 10. Okay, this is 40 plus 8 into 10, 80 divided by 40 minus 23, it is equal to 17. Okay, so now here 40 plus 80 divided by 17, 80 divided by 17 is equal to 4.7 approximately. This is 44.7. This is mode of the data. This is the mode. Okay, thank you.